This is actually such a simple hack that I cannot believe I never thought of this before. Hi, my name is Gaia, also known as the Celestial Blonde, and welcome to the Joy and Serenity channel, where I share resources for a happy, healthy, and fulfilling life. Today I wanted to share with you a very simple hack that is going to seriously influence your thoughts, your narratives, and in general even assist you in manifestation. A while back I realized that I was getting really drawn to vlogs, those a day in the life of vlogs. And I couldn't figure out why. In the past, I never could really watch those. I got bored in a second or irritated or something like that. But recently this desire came up, and we all know that desires are literally our best guidance. If it's a heart's desire, if it's this pull you have to do something or check out something, then that is actually your guidance to your most fulfilling life. So I listened, I checked out some vlogs, and soon after that, I realized that I started narrating my own life as if I was actually filming a vlog. And what that did was beautiful. Because we all know that most of our thoughts are actually subconscious. Most of our thoughts we don't even have awareness of. And whenever in life we are running on autopilot, for instance, cooking or preparing food for your dog who's sleeping right here beside me, or you're driving, or you're shopping, usually we are on autopilot when we do those tasks, which means that we aren't really monitoring our thoughts. Now that's to say we don't have to monitor all of our thoughts. That would be insane. And also there are tools to really work with your subconscious so that even the thoughts that run on autopilot are more beneficial. But it's also really good if we actually can get a glimpse into our thoughts, if we can kind of control the narrative in our days. And I found that talking about your daily life as if you were recording a vlog is so powerful. This is literally one of the easiest hacks I have ever come across. One of the best ideas, really, because I have been now doing this for the past week, and let me tell you that the results are amazing. I am moving with a lot more energy through my day. I am loving my days even more. And also a lot of the tasks where I would kind of zone out, maybe my energy would drop, have now become a nice, beautiful thing that I do in my life. So really, I am inviting you to try this out. It's very simple. Maybe if you need some inspiration, check out a few vlogs. Of course, please check out vlogs that are high vibe in nature. Check out vlogs of people who are enjoying their lives. You can get some ideas from there, how people talk about it, or you can just tap into your own intuition, tap into your own creativity, which is perfect because creativity is linked to our subconscious mind as well. So this is kind of double power. And just narrate your life. Tell yourself as if you were telling a camera, hey, I'm doing this now. Ooh, I'm gonna go sit in my car, do some grocery shopping. I love this food, I'm gonna pick this up. Okay, it's time for a yoga class. I'm putting on my favorite outfit. I really enjoy this pink, I love it. And now I'm going to do a class. I'm gonna roll out my mat. I'm doing it with this and this person. So really just dive into the narrative. Try to create the most interesting vlog of your daily life and keep doing that. This is really something that you can have so much fun with because it's not serious. You're literally just narrating your life. And even if there are parts of your life that you perhaps might not enjoy, you'll see that if you attach a better narrative to them, they can also become pleasurable or tolerable. You'll see that attaching a different narrative to them really changes how they feel. It can even bring in more things for you to see, perhaps things you have not. Perhaps you can tap into some sensations, some emotions that previously you would never get in those situations. This is really something for you to play around with, enjoy, and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks for tuning in, and go enjoy your life.